Welcome to Pulse of Science. Today, we are going to explore the resurgence of a titan in the silicon industry, Intel and its groundbreaking 18A process. For a long time, Intel struggled, losing its once unassailable lead to rivals like TSMC and Samsung. The narrative shifted from undisputed dominance to a desperate struggle to remain relevant. However, the company has now emerged with a bold claim of a technological revolution. We are looking at the 18A process, a node that promises not just incremental gains, but a total reimagining of how we build the chips that power our modern world. Historically, Intel dictated the pace of the entire processor industry. Following a period of stagnation, the company fell behind, spending years in a cycle of catch-up. Now, they are asserting that they are back in the game with Intel 18A. While the name might sound like a droid from a science fiction franchise, 18A is a sophisticated manufacturing process that serves as a critical test of Intel's long-term viability and reputation. The company is promising significant advancements: a 1.8 nanometer class transistor, a revolutionary power delivery system, and a return to the pinnacle of performance that would theoretically eclipse the current market leaders, TSMC and Samsung. To understand 18A, we must look beyond the marketing. The letter A stands for angstrom, a unit of length equal to 1/10 of a nanometer. Formally, 18A corresponds to 1.8 nanometers. Yet, as we have discussed in the past, these labels have become somewhat detached from the physical reality of the transistors themselves. In the modern semiconductor industry, the nanometer label is more of a marketing scale than a measurement on a ruler. TSMC and Samsung have their own definitions of process nodes, and Intel's shift to angstroms is a deliberate move to stake out new ground. The architectural revolution begins with the transition to gate-all-around GAA transistor designs. As transistors shrank, traditional FinFET structures encountered physical limitations. Intel's solution is RibbonFET, their implementation of the GAA architecture. By wrapping the gate entirely around the channel, RibbonFET provides superior electrostatic control, allowing for smaller transistors that switch faster and consume less power. This is the cornerstone of the performance gains Intel is targeting with 18A. Without this shift, the industry would have reached a hard wall in scaling performance, forcing manufacturers to sacrifice efficiency for raw speed. Parallel to the transistor architecture is the PowerVia innovation. In conventional chip design, signal lines and power lines are routed through the same complex maze on the front side of the wafer. This leads to signal interference and massive efficiency losses. PowerVia changes the game by moving power delivery to the backside of the wafer. By decoupling the power grid from the data lines, Intel reduces resistance and improves power integrity, allowing for more stable operation at higher clock speeds and lower voltages. This isn't just an optimization. It is a fundamental shift in how chips are constructed. When we place Intel alongside the current giants, TSMC and Samsung, the competitive landscape is fraught with nuance. TSMC remains the industry benchmark, having successfully navigated the transition to advanced nodes with massive yield success. Samsung has also been aggressive in its development of GAA-based processes. Intel's challenge is not just to match these technical specifications on paper, but to achieve the manufacturing yield and volume production consistency that define true industry leadership. The competition between these three companies is not merely about size. It is about the ability to innovate at the limits of atomic physics. This is a matter of technological sovereignty, the control over cutting-edge fabrication. Nodes determines which companies have access to the most capable computing hardware, from AI accelerators to high-end mobile processors. Intel's push for 18A is a strategic move to restore American manufacturing capability and secure a position as a premier foundry. By opening their fabrication capabilities to external clients, Intel is attempting to transform from a closed, vertically integrated manufacturer into a broad foundry player, capable of competing on the global stage. We are already seeing the early results of this push. 18A is not a distant dream. It is an active node moving toward mass production. The integration of RibbonFET and PowerVia indicates that Intel has moved past the experimental phase and is refining the manufacturing process for real-world applications. The upcoming release of chips utilizing this technology will be the ultimate proving ground. If Intel can deliver on their promises of performance and power efficiency, they will have successfully navigated one of the most difficult turnarounds in modern corporate history. This transition marks the beginning of a new era. We are witnessing the end of the traditional scaling era, defined by shrinking planar features, and the beginning of a period dominated by advanced architectural innovations like GAA transistors and backside power delivery. The 18A process is a manifestation of this new paradigm. Whether this translates into a complete reversal of fortune for Intel remains to be seen, but the technical ambition underlying this node is undeniable. As we move deeper into the age of artificial intelligence and high-performance computing, these advancements will form the bedrock of the infrastructure that supports our digital future. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the technological underpinnings of our era. This has been another episode of Pulse of Science. Stay curious, stay informed, and continue to explore the complexities of the world around us. Goodbye for now.